In this video, I am going to show you how to deploy FastAPI in Docker Compose. Let's start by creating a new folder called src and a new file inside the folder called requirements.txt. We're going to go ahead and add in the required packages, FastAPI and UVI corn. Let's go ahead and create a new file called main.py and import FastAPI into our file, as well as a sample request or slash, which will return hello world in a JSON format. Let's go ahead and create a new Docker file. We'll be using a work directory /app inside a Docker image. Go ahead and copy the text requirements.txt file and run pip install to install our packages inside the file, and then copy our work directory. Let's go ahead and create a new file called docker-compose.yaml outside. We'll be using Docker version 3.7. We'll create a new service called FastAPI with port 5000. We'll be using UVI corn to deploy our app, and we'll be using volumes source code to bind it to the app folder inside the Docker image. Now that we're done, we're going to go ahead and run the commands docker compose -f followed by docker-compose.yaml and build. If you are using Docker version 2, go ahead and type in a different code on the screen. Now that we finished building our Docker application, we will go ahead and deploy using the up -d to deploy our application in the background. I will be using Postman to test out our API, going to localhost 5000/. As you can see, it returns hello world. To turn off our application, simply type in down. As you can see, our application is now stopped. We can check it using Docker PS. Hope this video helped you.